Imagine waking up one morning, and your job is to know things that the rest of the world is not allowed to know. No Instagram, no telling your friends where you work, no explaining why you missed dinner. Again, you are inside the Central Intelligence Agency, the most secretive, most powerful intelligence organization on the planet. And here's the thing nobody talks about. The CIA isn't just one job, it's a ladder. And every single rung of that ladder, a completely different life. From the nervous intern who can't even say the word classified out loud, all the way up to the person who walks into the Oval Office and briefs the President of the United States. We're going through every rank, every level, every life. And trust me, the last rank, you are not ready for what that life looks like. Don't skip it. Let's go. Level 1, the intern. You just got accepted. You've signed 17 different forms. You don't fully understand what half of them mean, but you signed them anyway. Your first day, you get a badge, a stern handshake, and a supervisor who looks at you like you're a liability. Your job? Reading reports, organizing files, sitting in meetings where you are absolutely not allowed to speak unless spoken to. You go home and your mom asks, "So what did you do today?" You stare at her. Stuff. She nods. She doesn't get it. Nobody does. But inside, you feel it. That tiny electric feeling. I work for the CIA. Level 2, Junior Intelligence Analyst. Now you're actually doing something. You're reading intelligence reports from around the world, intercepted communications, satellite imagery, field notes from people whose names you will never know. Your job is to find the pattern, the thing that doesn't fit, the detail that changes everything. You work long hours, your eyes hurt, you eat lunch at your desk, but one day you catch something, a small inconsistency in a financial transfer. 3 countries, 1 suspicious name. You flag it. Your supervisor reads it again, picks up the phone. And just like that, your analysis is now part of a live operation. You don't celebrate. You just go back to your desk and smile very quietly to yourself. Level 3, Senior Analyst. You're not chasing patterns anymore. You're predicting them. World leaders, economic shifts, military movements. You're writing reports that land on the desks of senators, generals, and cabinet members. Your words have weight now, real weight. Oh, but here's what nobody warned you about. The pressure is suffocating. Because being wrong at this level doesn't mean a bad grade. It means bad decisions get made, real consequences follow. You learn to sleep less, think more, and trust almost no one. Level 4, Field Case Officer. Okay, now we're talking. You're not behind a desk anymore. You're in the field. Different country, different name, different life. You recruit assets, real people, who give you real information from inside governments, organizations, and places the CIA can't officially go. Your cover story is airtight. Your tradecraft is sharp. You know 3 languages, 2 fighting styles, and exactly how to leave a room without anyone remembering your face. But here's the part the movies don't show you. It's also lonely. You build relationships with people knowing they're a means to an end. You live a double life for years. Sometimes you forget which version of yourself is real. This rank doesn't break the weak. It breaks the strong, slowly over time. Level 5, Senior Case Officer / Station Chief. You're now running the entire CIA operation in a foreign country. You manage a team of officers, coordinate with local contacts, and report directly back to Langley. You are the CIA in that city. Every operation that runs through your station, that's your call, your judgment, your risk. If it works, someone else gets the credit. If it fails, you get the call at 3 a.m. Welcome to leadership, CIA style. Level 6, Division Chief and Deputy Director. Abid, you're back in Virginia. Suits, conference rooms, power. You're now shaping strategy, not just operations. You decide which threats matter, which regions get resources, which intel gets escalated. You sit across from generals and diplomats, and you speak the same language, not English, power. At this level, you have seen things that have permanently changed how you see the world. You don't watch the news the same way. You don't trust headlines. You know what's really going on, and that knowledge, it's both a gift and a burden you carry every single day. The last level, Director of the CIA. Here it is, the rank you've been waiting for. You walk into the West Wing of the White House. Agents nod as you pass. Doors open before you reach them. You sit down across from the most powerful person on earth, the President of the United States. And you speak first. You tell them what's happening in the world before the world knows it's happening. You carry intelligence that could start wars, end them, or prevent them entirely. Your decisions don't just affect careers or operations anymore. They affect history. No Instagram, no interviews, no applause. Just the weight of a nation's security resting quietly on your shoulders. And every morning you wake up, put on that suit, and carry it anyway. From the nervous intern afraid to speak, to the director briefing the president in the Oval Office. Every rank in the CIA is a different life, a different sacrifice, a different kind of strength. After watching this, you now know something most people will never understand. Real power isn't loud, it's quiet, it's disciplined, and it's earned, one rank at a time. If this blew your mind, hit that like button too, and stay tuned, because next time we're going even deeper. You've been warned.